in the four cities of our country, India. These cities are Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. Now, these are the cities where we celebrate this festival. Now, here is a Puranic mythological story behind this, in which God and Daman were in the fear of death, so they go to Vishnu, and Vishnu tells them that if you will do the chanting of ocean, then you will get the nectar Amrit, and if you will drink it, you will become immortal. So God and Daman do the chanting of ocean with the help of Mandranchal Parvat and the Vasuki snake. Now the god was in the tail side and Daman was in the head side. Now when they do the chanting of the ocean, then the Mandranchal Parvat was disappearing into the ocean. So they request the turtle to become a base of it. Now this is a mythological story but not the reality. In reality, it is explained by the Ved. In Ved, the turtle represents the meditative posture. Now when we do the chanting of our Aham, that is a physical body, which is regulated by Sattvic, that is parasympathetic, and Tamasic, that is sympathetic. So, similar to that, God and Daman, when do the surrounding of the ocean, then the most poisonous and toxic substance was formed, that is called as halala. Similar to that, similarly, when we do the chanting of our Aham, that is the physical body, and close our eyes, then the social thoughts come in our 10% of the conscious brain, which disturb us to the subconscious, to come into the subconscious brain level, and it is equivalent to the halala. Now when we come to the subconscious brain, then we have the memory of the one cell evolution to the trillions of cells that we are right now. Now, similar to that, when we do the chanting of the ocean, then the 14 Vatna are formed, and similar to that, then when we come to from the subconscious brain level to the Chetna, then when we know about the Atman, then we come to the Atman stage, and then finally we achieve the nectar Amrit, and then we are free from fear of death. Now we are going to learn that why Jupiter, not the other planet, hit in the Mahakumbh. Now to learn this, we have to know about the Kal Purush. The Kal means time and Purush means the human made by the celestial calendar. Now in Kal Purush, the sun is the heart, regulates the heart and skeleton. Moon regulates the emotion and calculation. Mars regulates the muscle and power. The Venus regulates the reproductive system and beauty. The Saturn regulates the joint, teeth and excretory system. The Mercury regulates the brain which is the guru of our body, regulates the endocrine system, master gland that is pituitary gland, and digestive system which controls our energy. Now, so the Jupiter is the guru of our body, and it prepare our body to get to spiritual awakening. Now in the celestial calendar for Mahakumbh 2025, after completing the one orbit of Jupiter that is of 12 years, the Jupiter is in Taurus, Sun is in Capricorn that is Makar, and Moon is in Aquarius that is Kumbh. Now there are two reasons behind this that we celebrate the Mahakumbh. First reason is that that Jupiter prepare our body to do the spiritual awakening and set to free from the fear of death. And the second reason is that biggest